If you're here, you're probably dealing with some anxiety right now. So let's jump in with a round of general tapping on anxiety symptoms. The first thing you want to do is notice how you know you have anxiety. That sounds like a weird question, right? But your experience of this issue is unique to you. And for tapping to be effective, it's important that you really tune in to how you think and feel about this problem, both physically and emotionally. So just start tapping on your collarbone while I ask you some questions that will help you get really clear on this. First, you want to notice what are the thoughts that you keep thinking about this problem. And these are probably going to sound something like, I'm just an anxious person, I'm wired this way, my thoughts are spinning out of control, I can't handle this, fill in the blank. Next, as you keep tapping on the collarbone point, close your eyes and notice what's happening inside your body. Anxiety shows up in a lot of different ways, and if you've had it for a while, you might have gotten so used to the symptoms or sensations that you don't even notice them anymore. So take a look at this list. Does anything look familiar? Or maybe you've got other symptoms to add instead. Just make a mental note of them. Next, notice whether those symptoms or sensations have a color or a texture. Again, kind of a weird question, but no right or wrong answer. Just notice it. Finally, let's give a name to the emotions or feelings that having this issue brings up for you. Maybe you feel frustrated, powerless, out of control, or even afraid of where this anxiety might be leading. You might feel all of these feelings at once, and that's okay. Now, start tapping on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though I have this anxiety problem and I feel powerless to change it, I choose to lovingly accept myself in this moment. Even though I'm feeling anxiety in my body right now, and it's frightening, I'm open to finding ways that I could let it go. Even though I'm plagued with anxiety and I don't know what to do about it, I give myself permission to feel calm and relaxed instead. Now let's start tapping through the points, starting with the eyebrow point. All this anxiety, I feel it in my body. It's so scary. I give myself permission to feel calm again. Even though these symptoms keep coming, I do remember how to breathe deeply. And I'm doing it right now. Even though my mind and my heart are racing, and I feel powerless to stop this, I'm open to a change. It's time for a change. I no longer need to suffer with this. It's time to begin releasing and letting go of whatever it is that's triggered this anxiety. Let it go. Let it go from my body, mind, and soul. Even though my symptoms are really real, and it doesn't seem possible that I could just let them go, that's what I'm doing right now. Let it go. And even though I don't know how, I know how to let it all go. I only know I'm relaxing and calming down. I'm doing it right now. Letting it all go. With every deep breath, I feel better and better and better. Now take a deep breath in, grab your wrist, close your eyes, and let your mind take you to a really happy memory. Whatever comes to mind is the right memory. Just go and be there now, just for a minute, enjoying all those good feelings. And when you're ready, open your eyes and notice what's different mentally, emotionally, and physically.